Hello everyone, welcome to my HPM Tech. Today's a new video. Squad gaming cryptocurrency scammers make off $2.1 million. The anyone hackers behind Square Gaming cryptocurrency have officially published their range on project making with instead $2.1 million. Remember on Friday more very old was our wish scheme. The only object investor could purchase the crypto but constant sell by place and people did get running the Google. He is every approve and quality generation egg make bossing every square cryptocurrency package in price 2.86 before plumbing into $0 around 540 accounted the website coins market chiefs kint of these commonly called rank or real money business liquid pool for exchange. The site cryptocurrency course launched just weeks and increased blessed. The week-old website filled with breeze spelling and grammar errors. The website hosted and up the schema you can see a chat version. Other rich flights for Square Telegram channel set up your unknown. This is just rest schema with Popcat and Get Media. It is similar and pull easily the shares with cryptocurrencies. The price cryptocurrency plaguing Mondays morning after crypto department out these response trading and currency is large behind documents government target word waste something creation improvement library. Does that meaning a make money trading crypto objects? Cryptocurrency is only worth with some easy way to pay and left using your every just sorry folks. Well, thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel HPM Tech for mission updates.